everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I am going to share a very popular Andhra dish. We're going to make Gongura Pappu. This is nothing but dal made with sorrel leaves. It's nice, tangy and spicy and it's very tasty. It's best enjoyed with rice. So let's get started and check it out. For this recipe I have taken one bunch of fresh Gongura leaves, that is sorrel leaves. Make sure to clean them thoroughly and then roughly chop them before cooking. I have taken 1 cup of tur dal, rinsed it well and soaked it for about an hour in enough water. Soaking helps the dal cook faster and turn soft and creamy. To a pressure cooker, add the soaked tur dal along with 3 cups of water. Use the same cup you used to measure the dal. To this, add 1 chopped onion, 1 chopped tomato and 3 green chilies slit. This will give a nice gentle heat. Now add the chopped sorrel leaves and give everything a good mix. Add 4 cloves of garlic and a half teaspoon of turmeric powder to the mixture. Close the lid of the cooker, place the weight and cook on medium flame for about 5 whistles. Once done, turn off the stove and let the pressure release naturally. When you open the cooker, you'll see this beautifully cooked soft dal mixed with those vibrant green sorrel leaves. It smells divine already. Now turn the heat back on. Add salt to taste and about a tablespoon of thick tamarind extract to enhance the tanginess. Stir well and let this simmer for about 5 minutes so the flavors blend together. Let's prepare the tempering. In a white kadai, heat a tablespoon of ghee. Gongura dal tastes best with ghee, but you can also use oil if you prefer. Once hot, add 1 teaspoon each of chana dal, urud dal, mustard seeds and cumin seeds. Let them sizzle and turn golden. As the mustard seeds begin to pop, add 4 to 5 crushed garlic cloves and 2 cut red chilies. Then add half a teaspoon of esfeta powder and a few chopped shallots. This is totally optional, but they add a lovely crunch. Finally, toss in a few fresh curry leaves and let everything fry until aromatic. Now pour the sizzling tempering over the cooked dal and give it a quick stir. Let this simmer together for a minute or 2, allowing all those rich flavors to soak into the dal. And there you have it, flavorful, spicy and tangy Gongura dal, ready to be served hot with steamed rice and a drizzle of ghee, perfect for a cozy lunch. Well, it's time to eat this delicious and special sorrel dal. Well, that is Gongura Pappu, like we call it. I can't wait to try it. It's a nice hot steaming rice and a little bit of ghee. There you go. There's something called comfort food. I would say this is it. It's so simple yet so tasty. So as you can see, I absolutely enjoyed it, and it's such a nice and simple dish, but the flavors are just fabulous. So next time when you go to the market and you find these nice fresh sorrel leaves, make sure to buy them and try this dal. You will be really blown away by the flavors. So do give it a try. Let me know how it turned out for you guys and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.